Hello dear students, in this lecture we will study how to write the queries of join operations. In previous video we have seen what are the different join operations. In this lecture we see or we focus on how to write the query for join operation. There are four types of joins: inner join, left join, right join and full join. This is the inner join. Inner join is nothing but the intersection. So whenever you want to find out the common data between two tables, then we have to use inner join. So let us see how to use the inner join. We consider two tables, that is student table and course table. This data I have taken from the internet. So we have two tables, student table and course table. In student table we have roll number, name, address, phone and age. And in course table we have course ID and roll number. In previous video I already told that to join the two tables or for join operations there should be at least one field common. So here in these two tables roll number is the common field. Now how to write or how to use the inner join. Example here, or how to write the query: select student course dot course ID comma student dot name student dot age. So what we are going to display, we display course ID, name of the student and then age. From student, inner join student course on student dot roll number is equal to student course dot roll number. So for inner join we have to first of all equate the common fields, and before that, before inner join we have to write down what data we are going to display, and after inner join we have to write down the condition. So by writing the inner join we get the table which contains course ID, name and the student age, but the condition that the student dot roll number is equal to student course dot roll number. The roll number of both tables should be matched. So which roll numbers of both tables are matching? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 roll numbers are matching. So only the roll numbers where data roll numbers which are common is showing. For example, roll number 1, name is Harsh and age is 18. Roll number 2, name is Pratik and age is 19. Roll number 3, the name is Riyanka, age is 20. Roll number 4, name is Deep, age is 18. Roll number 5, name is Saptarshi and age is 19. Along with that, course ID is also displayed. For example, Harsh course ID is 1, Pratik course ID is 2, Riyanka course ID is also 2, Deep course ID is 3 and Saptarshi course ID is 1. So this is how you can write the query of inner join. Similarly, in next lecture we see how to write left join and right join. Thanks for listening.